Welcome to this Getting Started video with yousemble. I'm Andrew Fink and I'll be running through a few basic tips on how to build your site. When you first sign up, you'll be dropped into this content area. This is where all the action happens. Here you can build pages or hidden pages, among other things. We're going to head straight to the settings first. In the settings, you can do general things like uploading your logo, editing your site title, or changing meta descriptions for Google. You can also connect social media accounts, among other things. But first, we're just going to upload a logo. To do that, you can click on this gray box or simply drag and drop. Let's drop that on there. Now that my logo is added, I'm going to head straight back to the content area and begin building a page. Adding pages is very, very easy. Simply click on Add a Page, select the type of page you want. You're just going to give this a title. You can see yousemble has automatically added this block. This is a text block. I've already prepared some text, so I'm just going to paste that in there like that. And there we go. If I wanted to add an image to this page, all I need to do now is just click on this image block. Same story as before. I can simply click on this gray box or drag an image and drop. Now that I have two blocks, if I wanted to change how this looked, click on this little gray icon which appears in the top right of every block. Click, hold, and then drag. I can drag it on either side of this text block. You can see now straight away this has created two columns. If I wanted to adjust the width of these columns, I just hover on the centerpiece here and drag left or right. And save my page. There are many other blocks that you can add. You can continue adding more text blocks if you want to, additional images, videos, Google Maps, and others. Let's add this one. I can adjust these blocks as I choose just by dragging and dropping and moving around. So if I wanted to, I could change this around by moving this text block on the other side of the image, maybe even dragging this map block over here. So let's just say I'm happy with that. I'm going to save my page. Adding a blog page is simple. Let's click on Add Page again, except this time I'm just going to select the blog type and give my blog a name and save. I need to add posts into my blog, and to do so you just need to click on this little blue button at the top here, add a new post, give it a title, so my first post, and save. It's exactly the same as building pages. I have blocks available to me and I can automatically begin adding additional text blocks or images or anything. Let's just save this first post and publish. I can head back to my blog. This is the post I just published now, and this all falls under the blog area. To preview all these changes, simply click on the preview button here at the top. Here we can see the test page and the blog we've just created. My image, my text, and Google Map. If I wanted to change the background, click on Customize, select a color, so drag my transparency slider up, and save. Now that I'm done with my site, upgrading is simple. Head to the dashboard on yousemble.com. Click on Upgrades next to your site or account. Choose a plan and check out. If you want to order a domain too, back on the dashboard, click on Domain and search for domain. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions at all, you can always at any time in the back end of your website click on the Help tab. It'll bring up this page. Submit a ticket to us, and we'll be happy to help.